Hey everyone, this is Blackjack Hacker here and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to talk about Blackjack card counting bet spreads, okay? Because bet spreads are a really important factor when it comes to card counting, because without accurate bet spreads, your bets are going to be all over the place and you're probably not even going to make profits if your bets are not good according to what the true count is. So what exactly are bet spreads? Bet spreads are different betting amounts you're going to place depending on the true count you have, okay? So usually the higher the true count, the higher your betting amounts are going to be, okay? So what is the best bet spread? Well, in my opinion, the best one is the 1 to 8 bet spread. So this means that your bets are going to vary from 1 unit to 8 units. So for this bet spread, you need to bet 1 unit at a true count of +1 or lower. So let's just take, for example, that our base bet is $10. You would bet $10 in this case. Now you bet 2 units, which means $20 at a true count of +2. And you bet 4 units, which means $40 at a true count of +3. And you bet 8 units, which is $80 at a true count of +4 or higher. Okay, so you need to really place these bets according to what the true count is, okay? Because for sure, when the true count is higher, your edge is higher, so there's more chances that you're gonna win that hand, so that's why you increase your bet every time. But you need to keep this accurate, okay? Because, you know, if you bet, I don't know, $20 at a true count of +1, you're still not enough in an advantage to actually place a big bet like that, okay? So you really need to follow this pattern, okay? And there's also other great bet spreads, okay, like the 1 to 10 bet spread and the 1 to 15 bet spread that can actually be even more profitable than this bet spread. But I'll explain why I like this one best. So why, in my opinion, is this the best bet spread? First of all, is because it's a bet spread that makes it harder for casinos to spot that you're card counting, okay? Because the higher your bet spreads are, the easier it is for casinos to actually see you card counting, okay? Because let's just take, for example, from one hand to another, you go from $10 to $150. That really seems suspicious, so then the casinos will really check on you when you place like that much of a range. But $10 to $80 is a lot less of a range. So they're not really going to check out on you as much as if you would have bet, $10 to $150. So, that's why I find it's a really good bet spread, because it still has a good amount of profits to be made. And also, like I said, it's really hard for the casinos to see you, and that's your goal, okay, to card count in the long term. So yeah, like I said, it still gives great profitable results, and it's good for the long-term card counting, because your goal is not to just play one day and get kicked out and banned from the casino, okay? You want to be sneaky with it, and you want to do this long-term, maybe as a side income or a full-time job. So why are bet spreads so important? So let me wrap this video up with this. Well, first of all, they allow you to maximize your profits when you have the edge, okay? So like I said, with accurate betting patterns and betting spreads, you're going to maximize your profits, okay? You can't put your bets all over the place. And also, they help you bet the right amount of money depending on your edge, okay? So like I said before, it's really important to follow these patterns and really bet the right amount, because it's just logic, okay? The higher edge you have, the higher chances that you're gonna win that hand, so that's why you want to bet higher. But if your true count is really bad, then you're gonna bet minimal, because your chances of winning are a lot less. And last but not least, they allow you to keep a stable and profitable blackjack session, okay? So with bet spreads, you can really not go bankrupt if you have good bankroll management and a good enough bankroll, okay? These bet spreads, like I said, they're not made to make you your bankroll wasted. So you also need to make sure that your bankroll is big enough for because you're gonna bet a lot of times. Sometimes the true count is gonna be at +4, +5, so you're gonna make these big bets, but it still doesn't mean 100% you're gonna win those hands. So that's why you need a big bankroll with that. But usually by following this, you're just gonna get a great blackjack session overall. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more blackjack content in the near future. And yeah, guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.